Today I'm going to show you how to get a super high ponytail in the Encilia headband wig. So the first thing you're going to need is your mannequin head. You're going to make sure that she is secure using 2 T-pins. So in the back of this wig you have a seam. That's where you know the back is. This mannequin head has a center back as well. So you want to take the center back of the headband wig and you want to make sure that it is placed in the center back of the mannequin head. Flip the wig up to find the center and then see the center back of the mannequin head. So we're going to alter that and we're just going to place it right there. I'm going to place my T-pin just after the headband. And then I am going to place another T-pin in the front just after the headband, so right here. Alright, so then you're going to take your wig brush, a boar brush, a wet brush, and you're just going to brush your wig out, starting on the ends and working your way up to the top.
Okay, so now I'm just going to lightly mist the hair with water, working in 3 sections, going underneath the top section, then underneath the middle, and then at the bottom. We just want to make the hair so it's damp, not soaking wet, but damp.
Okay, so for the look that I'm going for is I want a high ponytail with making the front and the sides as flat as possible, and we don't want the bottom to be too slouchy. But because I want it to stay kind of high, I am actually going to use some mousse. So I'm using this volumized mousse from Design Me, which is about that much. And I'm gonna place this on sort of the sides here and at the bottom. And it's because I want it to stay up.
Okay, so now we're going to set the ponytail. We're going to work in 3 sections. The top section, and I'm just combing and brushing and making the hair as flat as possible using a wig brush, a boar brush, or a wet brush. And then I'm going to go in with my teasing brush, which has really strong bristles, and I'm going to smooth out the ends. So I'm just making that transition from the headband to the hair as flat and seamless as possible. And then I'm going to take my curling iron and I'm going to press the hair for 15-20 seconds in each section, which smooths out the hair and it redirects the knots and makes the hair all smooth. I have the temperature set at 200 degrees. Okay, so now I'm just going to curl the ends. So I'm going to work in 1/2-inch sections, wet the hair, spray the hair with some spray bottle. I have the temperature set at 200. Hold it in the barrel for 15-20 seconds, and then you're going to hold the curl for 15 or 30 seconds. The curl sets as the hair cools, so the longer you hold the hair and let it cool, the better the curl will take. Okay, so this is what she looks like after. I'm pretty happy with the results. You can see that the front, the sides are very smooth and very flat. We're just gonna let her cool and set all night.
It's the next day and the wig has set. I just want to show you guys how to use the dry shampoo. I have this one on hand and I really like it. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray it. I'm not gonna do it in the ponytail and definitely not on the ends because this can dry the hair out. And it can also make your wigs a little bit heavy over time. You can get product buildup. So I want you guys to be careful using this. I don't want you to use too much, but it does take the shine out. And because I pulled the hair back and the wig is so flat, I'm gonna put it on in a second. It is pretty shiny. And so I'm just gonna spray it like this. So I'm like 10 inches away. And this stuff smells really good too. I bought this for my daughter. But sometimes I use it on my wigs. my synthetic wigs. So she needs to set, the dry shampoo needs to set for 2 or 3 minutes. So just don't mess with her, let her kind of set, and then I'm gonna put her on for you guys to see what she looks like. This is the back of the wig. Remember, you have the emblem here, and I'm just gonna put her on. I like to place my headband wigs 1 finger before my lace front. So my lace front is 3 fingers from the arch of my eyebrow, so 1, 2, 3. And so the fabric will be touching this finger basically. So it's about right. That's where I like to place it. You can wear it further back. If you have hair, you can even flip this in half and pull these hairs forward. You can wear it behind your ears, whatever works for you. I like to wear it like this, and I like to wear it over my ears when it's up in a ponytail. This is the smallest part of your face, so if the wig pushes back or wants to move, it's gonna go to a larger point and it's gonna be restricted. So it's just gonna feel more secure on. And then for the back, I like to place it just past my occipital bone when it's up, so it doesn't look, because I don't have any hair, so it just looks a little bit more natural. So here is the sides. Let me move this up for you guys to see. So there's the side profile. I just want you guys to see how flat the sides are, the top, and then here's the other side, and then here's the back. I'll flip the ponytail up for you guys to see. So it could definitely be a little bit higher. The hair did drop a little bit, but I think it looks super natural. And this is what you can do if you want your headband wig by Encilia to be very flat, and you want sort of a clean ponytail, so you don't want to have it to be kind of messy and all of that. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. The best part about wigs in general is that they're pretty low maintenance. Like you could see, I was only actually working on the hair for maybe 10-15 minutes, and then you're really just putting it on the mannequin head and you're letting it set overnight, and then you just put it on and you're ready to go. So there you guys go. Allison from Encilia Hair.